Welcome to our channel. This tutorial is about what's trending at the moment in terms of a saree drape. So if you follow the step-by-step guide, you will achieve the results. So what you do is you begin tucking the edge of the saree from right and work your way around till you come to the middle of the stomach for the second time. So what I normally do is I always sort the length of the pallu first. So just to bring the fabric at the back around the front. And now what you can do is you determine the length of the pallu. What's trending at the moment is long, flowy pallu. So what you do is bring the fabric at the back around the front and begin pleating. Ensure that the pleats are neat. Try and get it symmetrical. And secure the pleats with a pin. What I normally do is use a nappy pin. So when you're tucked inside, there's no chance of it opening and poking you. Neaten the pleats. So now then is our created a bit of a style with the excess fabric. And tuck the pleats into the petticoat. Now it's time to sort the pallu out, so neaten it up at the back and pull the fabric a bit taut so this gives you a nice shape. So now we're going to properly pleat the pallu. What I do is I put a pin and then later on I'll remove the pin. Make sure that the pleats are very small and pin them so you get them like a proper symmetrical fold. And then what you can do is, because this is a off-shoulder blouse, we're putting the pin at the back as shown. Again, you're going to secure it with a nappy pin. So altogether what we've done is we've just used 3 nappy pins. On my previous videos we did have a lot of comments on we using too many pins, but if you're going to a party or a wedding reception, you're going to dance and everything, so you want your saree to stay intact, just like a lehenga, so you're not worried. But what I've done is I brought them down to just 3 pins. Well, actually, I think I'm going to use 4 pins, because I'm going to put 1 pin behind the first flap, and you're done. Right, don't forget to remove those 2 pins. We nearly forgot. But doesn't that look classic? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.